Udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile variseva mavane. Tangi murena re popane le bona. Riva udile.
Right, asikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama umfanele uPhenya uBheshu ngingwakwaDzanibe isibongo namuhla siyazi ukuthi ke gujwa usuku olukhulu olubizwa ukuthi ke June 16 siyazi ukuthi eminyakeni u50 eyedlule 50th anniversary la sithi ke the uprising yabo abantu abasha basukuma bathi ke nokho ke enough is enough kodwa ke kunama vibes se the parliament la eMaukeng mama Thobela
Thobela le kae?
Re tsohele le kae mama?
Re gone.
Ke mme mangwa ha mang o nenzani la?
Ke mme Martha Moraba ke tlo celebrate the 16 ilengi youth day. Yes.
Isho ukuthini kuwena the youth day?
Youth day e re encourage fela gore youth must celebrate this day because youth ela ya gale ba lwetse tikologo ba lwela their rights ka this day, so it's important gore re celebrate.
Tell me about fitness because ke abona hore ba re walk in celebration mo parliament.
Fitness is very much important for our health because we need to be active at all times gore le malwetse a ska re attack le the chronic diseases di ska re kry-a, and then re phele really fit and healthy.
Yeah.
So it's relevant to this day as youth because there are so many things happening to our youth.
Thank you mama Ausi. Sondela kancane usisibani?
Mpho.
Le kae Ausi Mpho?
Ketele kae?
Number one, tell me about today's celebration. Nanoguchi, why are you here?
So I'm here to basically celebrate the freedom and the empowerment of Black South Africans.
Fitness isho ring mo wena?
Fitness for me is life. Fitness is wealth. That's exactly what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay, I guess sizwa abanye. Bafanas. Ujwang mo.
Bishop.
Ushap kimango?
Khoshi.
Khoshi. Wenzani namhlanje la? What are you doing here today?
Yes, so I came here to basically walk 5 kilometers and celebrate Youth Day.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Sisi. Ungasondela usisi ubani?
Mamu Chabo.
Uzizwa kanjani la namhlanje?
I'm happy. I'm happy because
Yeah.
It's
just happy.
I'm just happy to be here, and celebrate Youth 16 with my community and remembering what the youth of that year did. And this is me starting my practice. I registered for the ABSA Tshwane Run.
Okay.
This is me starting to
So it's a journey.
yeah, it's a journey.
Okay.
Hopefully one day I'll be at Comrades. I don't know.
Okay. Thank you. Good luck, ne?
Thank you.
Sharp. Malumes. How's it?
Sharp kunjani mfethu
Ah,
ngiyaphila.
number 1 uput bani?
Mina nguSimphiwe, sorry for kwambi mic.
Don't worry.
Mina nguSimphiwe wala Ward 7. Ngirepresent Impumelelo NPO. Yeah, we here to ukuzilolonga.
Yeah. Ngiyabona nihlangene kumnandi. It's not just a walk, it's a walk in commemoration and also siyazi ukuthi kune soup kitchen namhlanje. Ungathini nje kubantu beward?
Baphakathi ngithi thina asizilolongeni. Just nje sithathana lesikhathi namhlanje ukuthi singa celebrate ngokuya ngapha. Asenze something different this year so that sizothola ama different results.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah, asijimeni ready. Are you ready guys?
Oh, okay. Ukhona umunye mhlambe singakhuluma naye maye ngekho we continue. All right. There we are. Yeah, ukhona. Hola. Okay. Njengoba ke nizwela bakwethu kuyisekuseni kumnandi ke bazokwazi ukuthi ke beqhubeka. It's a 5-kilometer walk hosted by the parliament khona la eMaukeng. Ila sikhona ke sendaweni yaseThembisa kanti ke okunye siyazi ukuthi mayiphela iwalk what they will be doing bazobe bephekile then beze umphakathi usondele and there's a soup kitchen njengalokhu ke sikhona nathi ke sikhona singena ngapha nje manje sihlala phansi sokwazi ukuthi sikhulumisane nabo basichazele kabanzi ngokuthi why are they giving back to the community ba inspire yini njengalokhu ke sila kuyona ke indawo yaseMaukeng khona la e parliament angihamba ngedwa ukhona uDerek Phukela shot by Hauser uThabo Tabiya umfoka sibiya kuyena usiqophela imsindo nezithombe usihle ngwini kanjalo nobanele uBrazo Sondlo ake singene ngaphakathi. Isishamthetho sesifundazwe saseGauteng phecelezi Gauteng Provincial Legislature ngesiqubulo esithi Your View Our Vision yethula the 11th Annual Bita Basadi Awards ka2026. Khumbula ke ukuthi ukungenela sekuvuliwe singaqinisekisa ukuthi kuzovalwa ngolwesibili mhla yinsuku zingamashumi amathathu kuyo inyanga ephezulu Tuesday 30th June 2026. Wena ke into ongayenza ungakwazi ukuthi uqoke owesifazane okholwa ukuthi wenza kahle emphakathini ushintsha impilo nokunye nje ungasukucabange ukungenela ungathumela ke imininingwane yalona wesifazane kungabi imininingwane yakhe kuphela kepha nezincomo zibe khona phecelezi okuyiprofile nomsebenzi kawenzayo kanti ke ungangenela ku www.gpl.gov.za noma ubheke imininingwane lapha yana ke epagini le Facebook le Gauteng Legislature noma ke ungaxhumana noZanele kulezi inombolo 060 999 0400 060 999 0400 noma uthumele i-email kule email address ethi zmthweni@gpl.gov.za. Gauteng Provincial Legislature, your view, our vision. Right, ake sikubingelele sikwamukele ubonile ke nawe sihlalele ke silapha ke ngaphandle yonke into ke ihamba kahle sisakaza bukhoma sila endaweni yase the parliament khona la eMaukeng bakwethu mangaphazami igama lesitaladi 13 Skylab la sikhona kodwa ke esikwenzayo ke la okuhle kakhulu in commemoration of in 1976 youth uprising siyazi ukuthi ke ihlanganisa 50 years ilokho ke yenzeka njengamanje njoba ngikhuluma nawe nje siyazi ukuthi lapha ya eNazareth Expo Center Open Field field ukhona ke umongameli wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika umhlonishwa ke uCyril Ramaphosa la ezokwazi ukuthi ethule khona ke inkulumo kubungazwa lona lolu suku. Kodwa thina njoba sila silocally ziyenzeka izinto nala endaweni yaseThembisa live from the parliament sokwazi ukuthi sikhulumisane nabo. Yazi ke iparliament indawo yokuqeda isizungu, indawo yokucima ukoma, indawo yokuncebeleka. It's a very bathini luxurious restaurant ekhona kodwa futhi ekwazi ukufinyelela nasemphakathini. They are giving back to the community. Njoba ngikhuluma nawe nje there's a soup kitchen happening, abantu bawokhile nibabonile sikhulumisana nabo njoba sesiphakathi. You'll just get to find out ukuthi imayilana nani i-soup kitchen, imayilana nani i-walk le 5 km. Nangu umhlonishwa umnumzane ke uJ bayamazi ngoJ Stifler kanti ke umnumzane uJabulani wakwaSithole. Mr. Sithole, how's it?
Sawubona bhuti njani?
Number one, siyaphila. How was the walk?
The walk was very good. As you know that today June 16, the 1976 uprising, sikhumbule la sibuya khona. The freedom that Abo Hector Peterson fought for. And obviously ukuthi last khona manje as a youth, Tina, what changes do we need in the community?
Tell us about irole yakho oyidlalayo here, because siyazi ukuthi indawo ye-groove and siyazi you were hosting a birthday recently, and how did it go, and kuhamba kanjani engaging with communities and also beza abantu for i-groove. But here you are, it's not just about i-groove, it's also giving back to the community.
Yeah, as you know that Lailokshini, there's something called Kasinomics. Economy kasi is not only about Ujwala, but obviously as an establishment, we are a restaurant, a restaurant yomphakathi, elderly people, the youth, kids. So it's a family restaurant, and then basically what we're saying is, ilangana namhlanje why choose a land of your 5 km walk is basically to say also, let's also focus on healthy living. Let's also focus on cleaner communities. Because njengabona umphakathi ugcwele ama-drugs, ugcwele into eziningi. So we need the youth to participate in different form of activities.
I know that entertainment always has a way, because Masvula on the clip there, so healthy living, walking, we-establishment esaziyo ukuthi align ne-entertainment and also iphinde futhi ke donate and giving back to the community. Tell us about that, the alignment, entertainment, healthy living nako konke.
So i-team yethu ezubonile ngaphandle besicula into bayibiza igwijo. Igwijo is almost like your statement and who you are as a community. So i-community yethu doesn't only consist of abantu youth kuphela, but kunabantu abadala, kunabantu besimame. As you know, there's kids also across the road for preschool. We have a soccer team, and then obviously sihlangene umphakathi namhlanje to say that we are one. Let's raise a good community.
Asikhumbuze ke Sakaza Bukhoma from the parliament la eMahukeng, 13 Skylab Street, sisendaweni ke yaseThembisa, and this broadcast is proudly brought to you by the parliament khona la endaweni ke yaseThembisa. Indawo ke restaurant, indawo ke yokucima ukoma, indawo kaqeda isizungu. I-experience yakho uwokha nabantu, ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu oyayothande to make sure that you expand your network. Tell me about that.
So obviously, as you know, impilo manje, most of the stuff is digital. Njengamanje ubona si-engage nawe. Shaya 5 km sadabula betlamatlama sandlule emakhulong. But into enhle ukuthi you can see that everybody wants to be part of it. Masilokhu sihamba abantu balokhu basijoyina silokhu siyakhula. Size sifike la ekhaya abantu bangaphandle manje and then i-soup kitchen yethu, we're basically saying that as much as sikhula nathi, we need to give back to the community. Ingagcini ngathi namanye ama-establishment ayenze sihlanganeni, even if it means we need to give food parcels, sanitary pads, groceries, school shoes. Let's give back to the community.
Tell me about today's lined up event and DJs that are coming. What can we look forward to? And abantu eKasi kungenwa kanjani kuhamba kanjani? Because I know sazokhuluma no Mr James ozositshela kabanzi ngeconcept and then soup kitchen and everything nabo sisi abakhona. Tell me about what is happening today because indawo yegroove.
Yeah, so namhlanje i-day trade yethu sicala emini masiceda nge-soup kitchen siyangena ngalo kuma-fork and knife
Yeah.
siyacala ngamaplata nokudla and then i-line up emini siphethe uTibos
Okay.
no DJ Young
Oh yeah.
and then obviously leyo i-day trade siyahlala kudlalwa i-soul siya-engage and all of that and then later obviously izinto ziyashintsha
Yeah.
kungena abo-Vetis
Yeah.
kungena abo-KG the vibe yeah lapho manje se kule nto bayibiza bathini bathi umdanso
Oh, so got
Yeah, uzokhala umdanso,
umdanso. Ah, all right. Mr. Stole, we thank you so much. Sukuthi sibe nawe. I know that we are live with Tembisa Online and also we are live on the Parliament's page. Bakhona ke abantu abakhona, we'll talk to them and sikwazi ukubona ukuthi ke what is happening. Right. Yeah. Let's move on. Mhlambe singabuye sijike izitolo then sikwazi ukumove sibone ukuthi ke what is the what's happening.
uCynthia ne
Isishamthetho sesifundazwe saseGauteng phecelezi Gauteng Provincial Legislature ngesiqubulo esithi Your View Our Vision yethula the 11th Annual Bita Basadi Awards ka2026. Khumbula ke ukuthi ukungenela sekuvuliwe singaqinisekisa ukuthi kuzovalwa ngolwesibili mhla yinsuku zingamashumi amathathu kuyo inyanga ephezulu Tuesday 30th June 2026. Wena ke into ongayenza ungakwazi ukuthi uqoke owesifazane okholwa ukuthi wenza kahle emphakathini ushintsha impilo nokunye nje ungasukucabange ukungenela ungathumela ke imininingwane yalona wesifazane kungabi imininingwane yakhe kuphela kepha nezincomo zibe khona phecelezi okuyiprofile nomsebenzi kawenzayo kanti ke ungangenela ku www.gpl.gov.za noma ubheke imininingwane lapha yana ke epageini le Facebook le Gauteng Legislature noma ke ungaxhumana noZanele kulezi inombolo 060 999 0400 060 999 0400 noma uthumele i-email kule email address ethi zmthweni@gpl.gov.za Gauteng Provincial Legislature Your View Our Vision. There we have it, and welcome back. We are still broadcasting live from the Parliament in the restaurant in the Zungu. In the enzakala ingibona nje people are coming in. There's a soup kitchen enzakalayo, and here I'm with Mr. James. Mr. James, how's it? Number one. Can you kindly please introduce yourself to people, Chele, Lusebenza la Ekhaya, and what is your role? Then we are able to talk about today's event.
I think I'm an overseer now.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to make sure that everybody understands what they need to do.
Yeah.
What do I say? Decide.
Yeah,
I'm trying to get my Zulu right.
Yeah.
So make sure what I went right, slap you this side, and then straighten you up. Namhlanje we are doing the soup kitchen just to reach out to people to say, guys, we are here as an establishment, we care, but we want to just invite people to engage. You know, there's a lot of stigma out there with yoga, turala, you know, all these things, but that is not true.
Yeah.
You can never say in the we are yazi, come to the place, come and learn.
Exactly.
Come here. We are inviting, we are welcoming, and we'll always make sure that you come back to our establishment. Yeah.
Exactly. And usakhuluma ngale perception yokuthi umuntu ibukela indawo kude angazi ukuthi what's happening. You also have like Sunday buffet and everything. Share more about it.
So what we do every day, we got specials. I can tell you for free, we got a meal for 65 Rand on our menu, which is your sheep trotters, pop-up number sites, you know, that
Yeah.
people don't know about.
Yeah.
But when people come into our establishment, they're able to pick and choose.
Oh,
you know,
yes.
if you want an a la carte, that's your thing. Get it. You know, you want a ribeye, do it.
Yeah.
You want pasta Alfredo, we're here for you.
Yeah.
You know, and we've got your African cuisine, we've got traditional food, whatever you want to call it. People come here and enjoy differently because we are hosting a lot of people that come from everywhere else.
Yeah, choosing the 58th anniversary for the uprising, which is 1976, and aligning with giving back to the community. Tell me more about that.
I think times have evolved, times have changed.
Yeah.
So we need to go with times. We need to be able to say, what does it mean to me today? What does it
Yeah.
mean to me now?
Yeah.
And my surroundings. So the
Yeah.
connection is the people that I'm with surrounding me and the ideology behind it. We are not forgetting about it, but
Yeah.
we say, how do we forge ahead?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And your experience, you walked 5Ks?
Hey, I don't really like the walking, but I enjoyed it.
Yeah, yeah.
Because the whole idea was to give people information about today, about the soup kitchen, to say, please come join us. You know, either you're joining us with the walk or you're joining us afterwards.
Yeah.
Like we got here, we found people standing outside. It's an excitement for us.
Most definitely.
Yeah.
Mr. James, thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
Thank
Thanks
you.
so much.
All right. Uyena ke umhlonishwa ke Mr. James okhona la ekhaya. Bakhona ke nabanye ke sokwazi ukuthi ke sikhulumisane nabo sizwe ukuthi ngabe kuhamba kanjani. Njengoba ubone nawe we are broadcasting live from the parliament. Indawo ke establishment restaurant sokwazi ukuthi ke sikhulume naye ke usisi uItumelenge ukusuka njengamanje sikwazi ukuthi ke sibone. All right. Yeah. Sawubona igama umfanele uPhenyi Bheshu ngingwakwaDzanibe kanti ke angihambi ngedwa ke ukhona uThabo Tabiya Sibiya kuye ubambe amakhamera uDerek naye ube khona la wenza sure ukuthi yonke into iyahlangana and ubanelo Brazo Sondlo uyena ke usicontroller iVTR and also ama graphics njengoba ubona mangilo ngikhuluma kulo kuvela ke amagama ngibonile no Floyd naye lapha kuThembiseni naye ezothathela uthi hey ngifuna ukubaveza ephepheni sinayo ke insizwa usihle wakwangwini and right here with me sinosisi uItumeleng. Good morning sister.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you. Can you kindly please introduce yourself? Usitshela usisubani wakwabani and what you are doing?
All right. My name is Itumeleng Baloyi. To the Parliament, I am in charge of the PR. And yeah, today we are here to really talk about and give back to the community, the youth, and remembering the class of 1976, the uprising of Soweto. Thank you.
Obviously, as a person with PR, your work will be more about reaching out and making sure that yonke into lana iza kahle ivela kahle and everything. Tell me more about that and what has been the experience since the first inception you were reopening the establishment?
Yes, so we started the establishment last year and we're turning one almost in October. So it is my responsibility to really enhance the image of what Parliament is all about. We are a home and an establishment that is most knownly to be a restaurant. We cater to the people, but also remember that before we give back, we need to also remember that it is our role and responsibility to really create jobs, to give back to society, and to give back to the community of Tembisa. So it is my responsibility to make sure that we cater to the image and the public side of the Parliament Tembisa.
I see you came ready for today's walk. Tell me about the experience.
Yeah. So today we were doing a walk, just remembering the youth of 1976. It is very important to really remember what they fought for. We are liberated because of them. So to start off the day by walking and giving that energy to, you know, exercise and feel good was really just a stepping stone to what the youth of 1976 did for us. So it was really good. It was refreshing. And for me, it was much needed. It was really much needed. Yes.
You've gained so much support over the past few months since you reopened the establishment. To the people watching right now, whom are really making sure that they come and support the establishment, bayafika bathenga utshwala, bathenga ukudla and stuff. What is your message?
So my message is continue supporting us. We are because of you. We do not forget our community, and we are constantly striving to grow. We're of course not a perfect establishment because we are still a baby, but we strive in excellence, we strive in providing quality, and yeah, we are because of you. So thank you so much for those who have come to the Parliament, who have supported us, and to those that haven't yet been to the Parliament, please come. We do have our social media pages. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have TikTok. If you want to feel that, if you want to have an idea of what the Parliament is all about, feel free to look at our social media pages to have an understanding if you haven't yet visited our establishment.
Yeah, when you come inside here, and it looks very fancy. And tell me the idea ukuthi nilethe lokishini indawo efana nale and ikwazi ukuba accommodate futhi abantu. Tell me about that.
Yes, so the Parliament is very well much known for the aesthetics. If you step into the building, you see the beautiful mosaic tiles, you see the beautiful light, you see the bathrooms, the mirrors, everything is done to the T. So the idea behind that was to really bring that Sandton feel to the Kasi community, because I mean Sandton is so far, so having this beautiful establishment Mokasi, it really makes you look forward to coming and seeing the establishment. So yeah, we really took key in that to make sure that, you know what, we are going all big when it comes to the aesthetics, and that is the main design behind the building.
What will be the highlight for today? We know that obviously as a person with PR, you will be making sure that abantu they come, and also there's an event. What will be the highlight for today? Abantu ofisa bayikhumbule when you host from the soup kitchen to the DJs and Tambama.
Okay, so the highlight of today, guys, it is June 16, so we do not want to make it about us. We want to make it about the youth of 1976. So the highlight really is remembering what this day is all about. It's remembering the impact that they have created to make our lives as youth a better place. So also the Parliament really going ahead and inviting the youth, the community at large to participate. For me, that is the highlight. So also we have upcoming artists trying to perform, to give out that vibe. So come through, pull through and enjoy the vibes, the music, and yeah, the atmosphere, the ambience. It will be great.
Thank you so much, Miss
Thank
Baloyi.
you. Yes,
Thank
Miss
you so
Baloyi.
much.
Thank you so much.
Siyabonga.
All
Thank you.
right.
There we have it. Uyena ke usisi Itumeleng Baloyi. Uyena ke okhona la the Parliament. Kumnandi ke nathi njoba sila yonke into ihamba kahle, siphatheke kahle, asikukhumbuze. This show is proudly brought to you by the Parliament ila eMaukeng. Ilapho ke sikhona. Sawubona igama lami, mina ke ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu, ngingowakwaDzanibe Isibongo. Ngihambe ngedwa nami ke bakhona oza kwethu njoba ke sila sisakaza bukhoma. Uyakwazi ukuthi ke usithole la ukhona. Epagini le the Parliament si live and welcome. Let me just go and see ukuthi bakhona yini abantu okuyibona ke sihlezi nabo. Mhlambe singakwazi ukuthi ke sibabingelele. Ngiphamisela nje isandla mawukuthi ke ula ukhona. Yeah, most definitely abantu bakhona, and happy June 16. Tendai Mugia uti excellent. Good morning Linda M Mtombeni, watching from Tembisa kusho ke uMayet Mahutura. Martin Magaya uti ke great work. Ake sibone ke abanye abantu kuyibona ke esihlezi nabo. Masuku Agnes uyabingelela naye ufaka imlilo lapha evuthayo. Jemina Madiga naye uthi great work. Lungiswa Singa watching from Tembisa. Busisiwe Blessing Mnguni, uyaphila sihlobo sami, uyaphila Mnguni uthi excellent. Maida Chifunlo naye ke ufaka amahathi kanjalo ke nawo ke masibheka la ufaka amahathi nomlilo ovuthayo. Ubani omunye Tumelo Libya naye ke uyabingelela Martin naye ngiyambona. All right, good morning sanibonani igama umfanele uPhenyi Bheshu ngingwakwaDzanibe Isibongo. Uyabona nawe isoup, uyabona ukuthi izinto zihamba kahle kanjani lana kula sondela nawe uzibambe ngesoup, uzibambe ngesinkwa ube right. Uyabona izinto zi right la nje kungaphandle nje ubona nje camera yethi lapha ngaphandle, uyabona izinto ezenzekayo. Yinto eyenzeka njengoba ngikhuluma nawe nje njengamanje. Kumnandi ke kudelile la sikhona the Parliament. Siyakubingelela Bongani Kunene, serving positivity to the youth and inspiration. Siyabonga kakhulu ungomunye wabantu abaphawulayo. Let me just go to ipage ke le the Parliament ngibona ukuthi ngabe mhlambe khona ukhona yini ke umuntu ophawulile, so that ke singamshiyi ngaphandle njengalokho ke ehlezi nathi noma ke ebuka. Okay, hayi khona ngiyabona ke kunomuntu ke oye wa share u live. ubengakabikho ke umuntu ke osakhulumile noma osaphawulile lokho ke nje ke okubalulekile ngibonile ke bashare live siyanibingelela ke siyanamukela bakwethu ke la nikhona nani ke sihlezi nani siyazi ukuthi namhlanje njengalokhu ke kuyiyona ke anniversary which is the 50th anniversary for Soweto uprising which is June 16 1976 youth eyasukuma yathi enough is enough yalwela kamalungelo sizoke sibheke sike sathi siyabaxhuma lapha la kuqhubeka khona umcimbi ke kamongameli ke uRamaphosa sifuna ukubheka ukuthi ke ngabe kuhamba kanjani okwamanje ake sijike izitolo ngoba ngiyabona usibe uyakhuluma lapha kodwa ushaya ngenye sign language engingakazi ngiyithola sijike ngapha ngaseyitolo masibuya sibone ukuthi siyakwazi ukuxhumanisa mhlawumbe khona umuntu esingakhuluma naye especially njengo chef okuyena ke uthakela ukudla nomele isidle esidliwa namhlanje ngimbonile ke uchef lapha uchef Gugu nayo bengomunye wabantu abakhona but sokwazi ukuthi simcheke sikhulumisane naye okwamanje sijike ngaseyitolo masibuya siqhubeke nalo ke uhlelo sizozama ukuphonsa intambo ngale Nazareth kodwa sike sabazama isound yabo bengasinikezi ukuthula lapha enkulumeni kaBaba uCyril Ramaphosa sizobona mangabe iyala siyoyivala sikwazi ukuqhubeka bakwethu sikhona ke nezinye izinto ezenzekayo lapha eWinnie Mandela opposite eclinic ukhona ke uMatsediso uMthembisa unomcimbi nawo kanti ke mhlambe singakwazi ukubona ngokuzayo siphinde siye lapha eThembisa South Police Station usisike uNonkululeko uNkuliwa kwaMtshali naye iVintage Girls banomcimbi abanawo kuningi okwenzeka namhlanje na kwisports Wonder will be there kanjalo ke nobani na naye ke uAsisipo Fiklen sawubona sikubingelela Isishamthetho sesifundazwe saseGauteng phecelezi Gauteng Provincial Legislature ngesiqubulo esithi Your View Our Vision yethula the 11th annual Bita Basadi Awards ka2026 khumbula ke ukuthi ukungenela sekuvuliwe singaqinisekisa ukuthi kuzovalwa ngolwesibili mhla yensuku zingamashumi amathathu kuyo inyanga ephezulu Tuesday 30th June 2026 wena ke into ongayenza ungakwazi ukuthi uqoke owesifazane okholwa ukuthi wenza kahle emphakathini ushintsha impilo nokunye nje ongasukucabange ukungenela ungathumela ke imininingwane yalona wesifazane kungabi imininingwane yakhe kuphela kepha nezincomo zibe khona phecelezi okuyiprofile nomsebenzi kawenzayo kanti ke ungangenela ku www.gpl.gov.za noma ubheke imininingwane lapha yana ke epagini le Facebook le Gauteng Legislature noma ke ungaxhumana noZanele kulezi nombolo 060 999 0400 060 999 0400 noma uthumele i-email kule email address ethi zmthweni@gpl.gov.za Gauteng Provincial Legislature your view our vision Ake siphinde ke sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama umfanele uPhenyi Bheshu ngingwakwaDzanibe isibongo sisakaza bukhoma ohlelweni esilethulelwa abakwa the Parliament indawo ke yokuncebeleka yala endaweni ke yaseThembisa ilapha kunumber 13 Skylab la eMaukeng. Njengamanje sinaye ke usisi okuyena oyaye abe nezithako ezimnandi aqinisekise ukuthi wonke umuntu uhambe ejabulile ngoba yiki nemnandi njengokudla okumnandi. Awungasho man. Sawubona sisi.
Njani futhi?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Ngicela ubabheke bese uyabingelela usichazele ukuthi wena ubani wakwabani umsebenzi wakho la ekhaya uyini.
Okay, igama nguGugu wakaMasina Isibongo. I'm the head chef la ekhaya. Angazi ngesizulu bathi head chef yini.
Hey, ngizochaza.
Umphathi wamabhodo.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm the head chef la ekhaya. Yimi ngenza sure ukuthi konke ukudla okuphumayo ekitchen kumitha the standard sendawo esikuyo today.
Yebo, manginqiza lapha emabhodweni
Yes.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Kwaze kwamnandi phela ukudla kwenu sibona ngabantu beza bephinde bebuya iexperience kusukela indawo ivulwa kuze kuzoba namhlanje nje nenza sure ukuthi lona ibhodwe nje hey abantu impela badla kamnandi sitshele kabanzi ngeexperience onayo nabantu namabhodwe.
So my experience inzima kakhulu. Mina when I straight out of high school, I went and studied IT.
Yeah.
But lento yokupheka beyiveli khona phakathi kimi. So uyazi endlini mangibatshela ukuthi no man, I want to go into culinary.
Yeah.
My dad was like, "Hayi, uzopheka la endlini." So
Yeah.
I went into IT, ngafunda ngaqeda and then I worked, but isakhona leyo nto leyo
Lento
ukuthi
ethi,
hayi bosisi wena eyakho
la.
italent isemabhodweni. So when I got the opportunity yokuthi ngibuyele esikolweni into a culinary school, I grabbed it with my both hands and ngenza sure ukuthi I give it my best.
Yeah.
So over the years ke bengisebenza wona lo msebenzi lo of cooking. I've worked kuma hotels, I've
Yeah.
cooked for events. So
Exactly.
yathi mayivulwa indawo la ekhaya ke ngase ngibiza ukuthi hayi cela uzosiza usivulele ikhishi
Yes.
ngoba ke unale talent lele silifunayo. So since then October last year bekuyikho khona lokho ukuthi we make sure ukuthi ama customer ethu ajabulile as far as ukudla because umphathi wala ekhaya was very specific wathi look kuselokishini but I want people to experience the best of both. Yena umuntu othanda ukudla kwasekhaya, traditional food, but then he was like, no, I also want to cater for people who love pasta, people who love fish. So what we did is we incorporated konke lokho into our menu. So in our menu we have traditional and we also have a modern menu.
Wow. And experience onayo nabantu ikusho nje what have you been observing kubantu abezayo bezothenga and uzizwa kanjani?
Abantu bala ekhaya bayakuthanda ukudla kwethu kakhulu. You know, ngesilungu bathi the best compliment to a chef is a clean plate.
Yeah.
And most of the plates abuya ngale, they are clean plates. Asikho nesidingo sewaiter ukuthi libuye lithi hayi icustomer lithi siyazibonela thina ukuthi uyabona umuntu azahwaya iplate ubona ukuthi hayi bezibuya la. So that is the compliment esitholayo ekitchen. Also on social media siyabona abantu babhalile ukuthi no ukudla kwenu kumnandi. Abanye bayaba nama suggestion ukuthi no but guys since ukudla kwenu so how about ni add. We do take those suggestions. We have a Sunday buffet that happens every Sunday. People love it. Ubona nje labo sisi abangazithanda ukupheka babona bala ekseni but that's what we love. Ubona abantu bahleli ba enjoy ukudla kwethu for thina ama chef. Angazi ngachaza kanjani. Seeing umuntu enjoya into oyenzile because now ngisho uyenza ngothando. So them sitting down and enjoying the food kuba ngathi you are receiving the love back ngaphandle ukuthi bona basho ukuthi no ukudla kumnandi o kanjani.
Sitsheleke kabanzi namhlanje usiprepareleni ngiyazi ukuthi ubalele uzosivezela lapha ngibone nigoqoza kunesopo usihlelele kanjani namhlanje uwe lo ngiyakubona uyahlanganisa.
Today we just made a simple soup for people to enjoy because I understand ukuthi winter and it's a little bit cold.
Yeah.
So something to complement ukubanda lokhu. Let's just do something warm.
Yeah.
Abantu abazoenjoy. So we did a green lentil soup. That recipe I got it from my mom. Ngiyazi near winter I get it always there.
Yeah.
Ngaso sonke isikhathi. So I thought let me just share it with abanye abantu, and for me it's just been a pleasure ukubona abantu le ngaphandle balinile up and enjoying the soup. That brings joy.
And I can see it's thicker.
Yes.
What is the inspiration ukuthi libe that thick ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi umuntu enjoy?
You cook it for long, make sure it's cooked.
Yeah.
Because ama ingredients mawangahlangananga kahle then uzothola ibhontshisi lihamba le amanzi yazidantela phezulu. So just make sure ukuthi it's cooked properly and you season it nicely. Ungafaka izinto eziningi ezogcina zixaka abantu. The basic things we use for cooking, your salt, your stock, you know, and I also added bones for that extra flavor ukuthi umuntu ezwe ngathi kunenyama kanti ayisiyambhayizisa.
Yep. And what are you taking home from here today? Your take homes in uzizwa kanjani?
I'm very happy about today. The turnout esibe nayo yabantu. I really did not expect it because siye saba nenkinga with advertising, sanga advertising ngesikhathi, but the turnout yanamhlanje, I'm very happy. Kuyimanje we are out. The soup is finished.
Yeah.
Kuphelile. So I think my job is done. But I was called here to do sengwenzile mina, and seeing people enjoy the soup, really it's nothing much, you know. Khona lokho okuncane sikwazile ukubanika, they enjoyed it, they are grateful and they are happy, and that also makes me happy.
And hopefully we'll see more.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
but,
Also, we learned by doing. So, sibonile ukuthi okay, something like this abantu bayajabulela. Next time sizokwenza senze kube kuningi so that we accommodate wonke umuntu ofikayo.
Okay. Sister, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Siyabonga. Uyena ke usisi uGugu Masina, the head chef khona la at the parliament endaweni ke number 13 Sky Lab khona la eMaukeng extension. Igama ngumfanele uPhenyo Bheshu wakaZanibe isibongo. Ngifuna ukuthi ke mhlambe ke siphinde sibafake labafana bangiculela ngamnandi sibathi bathi uqisha kancane sizobuya sibheke ukuthi ngabe ke umongameli wezwe use ready ukuthi ke akwazi ukwethula inkulumo. You are live on Ithembisa Online. Siyabonga kakhulu. Good morning.
Viva udile, variseva mamani. Kaje morere tangi morena de compadre bona. Ele viva udile, variseva mamani. Kaje morere tangi morena de compadre bona. Ele viva udile, variseva mamani. Kaje morere tangi morena de compadre bona. Ele viva udile, variseva mamani. Kaje morere tangi morena de compadre bona. Viva udile, variseva mamani. Kaje morere tangi morena de compadre bona. Viva udile, variseva mamani. Kaje morere tangi morena de compadre bona. Viva udile, variseva mamani. Kaje morere tangi morena de compadre bona. Viva udile, variseva mamani. Tangi morena de compadre bona. Viva udile, variseva fanele bona elele riba udile bari seba babani ele tangi morena riba fanele bona elele riba udile
Isishamthetho sesifundazwe saseGauteng phecelezi Gauteng Provincial Legislature ngesiqubulo esithi Your View Our Vision yethula the 11th Annual Bita Basadi Awards ka-2026. Khumbula ke ukuthi ukungenela sekuvuliwe, singaqinisekisa ukuthi kuzovalwa ngolwesibili mhla yensuku zingamashumi kuyo inyanga ephezulu Tuesday 30th June 2026. Wena ke into ongayenza ungakwazi ukuthi uqoke owesifazane okholwa ukuthi wenza kahle emphakathini, ushintsha impilo nokunye nje ungasukucabange. Ukungenela ungathumela ke imininingwane yalona wesifazane, kungabi imininingwane yakhe kuphela kepha nezincomo zibe khona phecelezi okuyiprofile nomsebenzi kawenzayo. Kanti ke ungangenela ku www.gpl.gov.za noma ubheke imininingwane laphayana ke epagini le Facebook le Gauteng Legislature noma ke ungaxhumana noZanele kulezi nombolo 060 999 0400 060 999 0400 noma uthumele i-email kule email address ethi zmthweni@gpl.gov.za. Gauteng Provincial Legislature, your view, our vision.